everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password in the KuCoin application using your mobile device. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, open the KuCoin app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top left corner from the home screen. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, scroll down and tap on Security. Inside the Security tab, scroll down and look for the Login Password button and tap on it. On the next page, click on Change Login Password. In the pop-up, click Confirm. If you continue to change your password right now, all the withdrawals and other outflows will be disabled for 24 hours. To confirm that, click Confirm, and on the next page, go ahead and enter your current login password. Click Confirm once you are done. On the next page, go ahead and enter the new password you want to change to in both of the boxes. Finally, click Submit. And right there, you have successfully changed your login password on KuCoin. You'll be redirected to the login page. Go ahead and enter your email or phone number and the new password in the Login Password tab. Right after you do that, you'll be able to log in with the newly updated password. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.